Okay, Faze, we're now going to look at a real corker, something you've never seen before. Let's see you get out of this one. Okay, Faze, take a look at this photo here. Do you know where this is, Faze? I doubt it, but I'll keep it a secret for now, I think. I'll keep it a secret. Let me tell you, this photo is going to reveal a lot of information that's going to get you stuffed.
Hi folks, welcome to another video by the brilliant expat Taffy. Now, what you can see from the title page, we're going to be discussing fake Apollo photo studios. Okay, let's see what we can discover. Now folks, as I just said, if they went to the moon, why didn't they take the photos up on the moon instead of taking all of them here on the Earth? And for all the nutters who want to dispute that, meet me face to face on Zoom or Skype. And I'll kick your ass every time. I'll prove that every photo is fake here on the Earth. And that's what you're going to see more of now in this video. Now folks, this video is going to be very special due to the fact that me, the brilliant expat Taffy, has made a new discovery. And there you are folks, there it is, Flagstaff, Arizona, where hundreds of photos were made and plenty of videos with the rover. Now, another place of fakery, thanks to Bart Sabrell, receiving information from a security guard. At another place where there was aircraft hangars. And that's Cannon Air Force Base, New Mexico, where they faked the Apollo landings. New Mexico, where they faked the Apollo landings. And everybody thought, oh yes, it looks real, it's on the moon. But it was actually faked at Cannon Air Force Base, New Mexico. Now, what's the next place? Where they faked the Apollo landings. Where they faked the Apollo landings. Where they faked the Apollo landings. Now, what's the next place? Now folks, we are coming to what this video is about. Take a look at the next photo coming up. Now folks, take a look at this photo here. What we've got here is an aircraft hangar. I got this from a mate of mine about 8 years ago. He runs an excellent site called Apollo Reality 2. His name is Sam Colby. We do share a lot of information. Despite the fact that me having this from Sam, I never got an explanation as to where it is. I never got an explanation as to where it is. I did send him an email recently, and so far I've heard no reply. But I have heard a rumour that he's passed away, so we can't rely on him to give us any more information. Okay folks, you're going to see here now why I enjoy copying and saving idiotic, stupid comments by these NASA nutters.
And or listen to the tape, and it was President Lyndon Johnson, and you hear him hit the table with his hand. He said, "Damn it, I told you guys." And they said, "But sir," he says, "don't you but me. You promised Kennedy you could get him a man on the moon, and you haven't done it. Where are you?" And they said, "Sir, there's a Van Allen belt. We can't get through it. The guys will die if they go through it. It's radioactive. And if they get on the other side, this radioactivity from the sun will kill them. There is no way we can do it." And he said, "You're going to do it. You got 2 years. If you don't get me a man on the moon in 2 years, I'm closing NASA down. You'll be fired. You'll never work in the United States again." And he slammed the door and walked out.
The head of NASA must have been just prior to Lyndon Johnson accepting the fact that they had to fake it. So it looks like it's the early part of 1968.
So I got on the radio on the airplane and called Minneapolis, and they said, "Go to the giant hangar. There's a hangar that's a mile long."
Now folks, remember earlier on I told you this guy was asked by another lady at that meeting, and where was this hangar? Well, I can now tell you what he said. He said it was in Chicago.
So I got on the radio on the airplane and called Minneapolis, and they said, so I got on the radio on the airplane and called Minneapolis, and they said.
So what I done recently, I started doing a bit of research. I plotted into Google aircraft hangars, Chicago. And you'll be surprised, there was plenty of them. Plenty of them. And I went through every one of them, and look what I found. Just take a look at it. And here you are, folks. There's that hangar that I discovered at Chicago. Above the entrance, it's got CJG. Now, C must be for the Chicago, J is definitely for jet, and I suppose G must be for garage. But the hangar is specifically for repairing jet planes. Let me show you another photo of it.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.